Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Western Europe and a neighbor to Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, Spain, and Andorra. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as France. France. Here we go again. France. France is rich in history, culture, and cuisine. Known for its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, its world-class art museums such as the Louvre, and its exquisite food and wine. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about France, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.